Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So on Windows, when your system runs into an error or a problem, normally called a stop error or also known as a blue or black screen of death, what happens is it downloads a dump file, normally to your C drive or the drive your Windows is installed on, and will pop it in this location. Now, here's just an image I've managed to source on the internet to show you what I mean. So you get a dump stack file, which has all the information, basically why your system ran into the stop error or ran into the error, which is very useful if you are, say, a developer or you have the technical know-how to investigate and possibly find the reason why your system hit a blue screen or black screen of death. Now, in regards to this, it does seem that with the upcoming 26H2 feature update later this year, that Microsoft could be taking the so-called crash diagnosis to another level, where Microsoft has announced that it's going to be introducing a new DirectX 12 API feature called DirectX Dump Files, which will be similar to how system memory dump files work when a system crashes or freezes or encounters any major issue, as mentioned. Now, Microsoft says that the DirectX dump files are the result of a years-long effort, and what it'll do is it'll basically give developers and those with the know-how to diagnose GPU crashes with actionable data captured directly at the point of failure, very similar to a stop error as mentioned. So DirectX dump files will record a snapshot of GPU execution at the moment of a crash, which will include hardware state, driver data, direct 3D runtime context, and application data. So it'll have all the information in there as to why your GPU crashed. And Microsoft says this will all get packaged into a .dxdmp file that can be retrieved and analyzed. So this dump file, .dxdmp file, will contain a lot of useful details about your GPU hardware state information, which I do think is a nice move. And Microsoft says it's already been working closely with the likes of AMD, Intel, Nvidia, and Qualcomm. And currently it's under development. And Microsoft mentions from the announcement that it is expected to ship to retail support later this year, which should be right around the time when Windows 11 version 26H2 lands, which I do think is a nice move in the right direction, because if you have the technical know-how or you are a developer, it'll give you a better way to diagnose your GPU crashes. But I'll keep my ear close to the ground, and if more information becomes available, obviously I'll keep you guys posted. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.